Welcome to the best picks. The best Mr. Buddy heater hose filter is probably one of the most important accessories you can get for your Mr. Buddy heater, ensuring optimal performance and safety by preventing debris and contaminants from clogging your heater's fuel line, leading to potential hazards and inefficient heating. This filter is a small but mighty component that significantly impacts the longevity and reliability of your heater, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone who values safety and consistent heating performance. Number 5. Mr. Heater Buddy Hose. This 10-foot hose is a game changer for your Mr. Heater Buddy. It eliminates the need for a fuel filter, making setup a breeze. It's built to last. It won't leach oil into the fuel stream, ensuring clean and efficient operation. Both ends tighten securely for a leak-proof connection. Connecting it is simple. The POL connection attaches directly to your propane tank, so you're ready to go in seconds. It's easy to store and transport. It measures approximately 3 by 9 to 7/8 by 11 inches, making it perfect for any outdoor adventure. We stand behind our product. It comes with a 1-year limited warranty, giving you confidence in your purchase. This hose is designed for use with the Mr. Heater MH9B Portable Buddy and MH18B Big Buddy heaters. Enjoy worry-free heating. What we like. It's a longer hose, eliminating the need for a separate fuel filter. This saves you money and simplifies setup. If you value convenience and a streamlined propane connection, this is the one for you. What people say. The 10-foot length of this hose is just right for giving you the flexibility to position your propane tank at a safe distance from the heater. The hose is well made, with durable materials that feel built to last. The fittings are solid and connect securely to both the heater and the propane tank, giving me confidence that there won't be any leaks or issues during use. One of the great features of this hose is that it doesn't require a filter when used with a bulk tank. This simplifies the setup process and reduces the need for additional parts, making it more convenient and cost-effective. Number 4. Mr. Heater F276163 Fuel Filter. This fuel filter is a must-have for your Mr. Heater Portable Buddy and Big Buddy heaters. It ensures clean fuel for optimal performance and extends the life of your heater. It's built with durable galvanized aluminum, providing reliable protection against impurities in your propane fuel. This ensures a long-lasting and efficient heating experience. It connects easily to your Buddy heater's regulator and hose, making installation simple and straightforward. Enjoy worry-free heating with a secure connection. Remember, it connects to the regulator and hose, not directly to the propane tank. Always follow the instructions for proper setup and safe operation. With this filter, you'll enjoy consistent and efficient heating. It keeps your heater running smoothly and prevents costly repairs down the line. This small but vital component safeguards your heater from damage caused by fuel impurities. It's a smart investment for long-term reliable heating. What we like. Made of durable galvanized aluminum, it ensures a safe and reliable connection for your heater. It's essential for maintaining optimal performance and preventing fuel issues. If you need a reliable fuel filter for your Buddy heater, this is the best choice. What people say. It worked perfectly. This filter effectively prevents contaminants like oil and debris from entering the heater, which can be a common issue when using propane tanks. It ensures the heater operates efficiently without clogging, which ultimately extends the life of the unit. The filter is straightforward to install, just screw it between the propane tank and the hose. It's also compact, so it doesn't add bulk to the setup. Number 3. Mr. Heater F273699 Fuel Filter. This fuel filter is designed for construction heaters. It ensures clean fuel for optimal performance and longevity. It's a vital accessory for maintaining your heater's efficiency. Regular replacement helps prevent costly repairs. This filter is simple to install, ensuring minimal downtime for your heating needs. Just follow the instructions for a quick and easy replacement. It's built to withstand the demands of construction sites. It's made from durable materials for long-lasting performance. This filter is a must-have for anyone using construction heaters. It helps keep your equipment running smoothly and efficiently. Each case contains one fuel filter, perfect for individual replacement needs. Order yours today. What we like. This fuel filter is designed for construction heaters and comes in a pack of 1. It's a practical and reliable solution for your construction heating needs. If you work in construction and need a dependable fuel filter, this is a great option. What people say. Easily installed and is supposed to be changed out after a year of use. Installed on outdoor propane broiler after clearing a clogged pilot light. Removes particulates which apparently are common on the larger propane tanks. This item is a must if you're using a Mr. Buddy with the bigger 20 pounds tanks. Very easy to screw and unscrew and fits like a glove. Number 2. Mr. Heater Buddy Hose. This hose is a perfect extension for your Mr. Heater Buddy. It gives you the freedom to place your heater where you need it most. Enjoy the warmth from your Buddy heater from up to 12 feet away. It's the perfect length for most rooms. Connecting it to your heater is simple and easy. Just attach it and you're ready to go. It's designed for safe and reliable use with your Mr. Heater Buddy. Enjoy worry-free warmth. Whether you're in the garage, workshop, or even a small living space, it provides safe and convenient supplemental heat. Get the most out of your Mr. Heater Buddy with this convenient and safe extension hose. Enjoy comfortable warmth wherever you need it. What we like. It offers a longer reach and easy connection to your Buddy heater. This is perfect for those who need more flexibility in placement. If you need extra length for your propane hose, this is ideal. What people say. Works fine for hooking up my 20 pounds tank to my Buddy heater for working in my garage when needed. Perfect length for what I needed it for. Works great. Number 1. Mr. Heater F273702 Hose Assembly. This is the Mr. Heater F273702 hose assembly, designed for easy connection to your propane tank. It's a convenient and reliable way to fuel your portable heater. It seamlessly connects your appliance to a 5 to 20 pounds propane cylinder. This ensures a secure and leak-free fuel supply. The hand-tightened swivel nuts on both ends make it simple to connect and disconnect. No tools are required for installation. It features a durable rubber hose for long-lasting performance and resistance to wear and tear. It's built to withstand regular use. For optimal performance and to extend the life of your appliance, it's recommended to use this with a fuel filter. This helps to remove impurities from the propane. It provides a reliable and safe connection for your propane-fueled appliances. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your fuel supply is secure. What we like. It's a 12-foot rubber hose with easy hand-tightened swivels, perfect for connecting your appliance to a standard propane tank. Its durable construction ensures a secure and reliable connection. If you need a reliable and easy-to-use hose for your propane appliance, this is a great choice. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.